Hello and welcome to our term project where you get to decide how to run your own virtual party. So here's our front page, the help page, where there's some general information on where to go and what you do on those pages, either the preview page or the guest list page. Included in the file are some music files, and so in order to connect those files to the Excel file, you put the file path into this chart, depending on the name. And there's some information on how to do that here, along with some information about some Easter eggs and more general information on how to run this file. So going to the preview page, there's some more general information that this is InstaParty Incorporated, where you get to party virtually at home because we can't go outside or anywhere. And you also get to decide on what to do with your party. So here we have the information, we have our DJ turntable, we have a laptop, we have one speaker, we have two speakers, and we have a little preview of what our dance floor will look like. And so going here are all our controls for the dance party. We can change the volume that is played. We can change the color of the lasers at the bottom, or the background lights. We can change what the dance floor will look like and what the guests will be dancing, what they'll be doing. You can also change the music. This is volume control, or you have. So now let's go on to the guest list. Here are some names that we have put in for people to be invited. You can see over here that there's an indication of either they were invited and added to the final list or not. This is dependent on the information put in these columns here, either how many +1s they have, if they have VIP status, and if they have COVID-19. So we can go into here, it pops up a little form, or we could type in a name. I have no idea how to spell that name, but we're going to go with it. He is VIP, but unfortunately has Corona, and he's going to have 1+1. We're going to generate the invites. He is not invited because he has COVID-19. We're going to go back to the preview page. We're going to finalize some decisions on what we want our party to look like, and we're going to hit the dance party button. And so this will play for 10 seconds and will return us to the preview set page. And an Easter egg.